Have you ever noticed the moment streetlights flicker on at dusk? It's a subtle yet mesmerizing transition that signals the end of the day and the beginning of the night. It's a familiar sight, but there's a fascinating system behind it, a system that's both intricate and essential for our daily lives. The city seems to wake up for the night as lights blink on, one after another, bathing the streets in a warm glow. It's almost as if the city itself is taking a deep breath, preparing for the night ahead. But how do all those lights know to turn on at the same time? What's the secret behind this synchronized dance of illumination? It's not magic, it's science, engineering, and smart technology. A blend of human ingenuity and advanced systems working seamlessly together. This nightly light show is a carefully designed system to keep our streets safe after dark. It's a testament to our ability to create order and safety in the urban jungle. Imagine thousands of street lights in a city, all working together, each one playing its part in a grand symphony of light. That's a massive, complex puzzle. A puzzle that requires precise coordination and constant maintenance. We're about to uncover how electricity travels from the power plant to the bulb above your head. It's a journey that spans miles and involves countless components. We'll explore the hidden networks and the brains that tell the lights when to shine. These are the unsung heroes of our nightly illumination. Humans have always needed light to push back the darkness, from torches to gas lamps to today's electric streetlights. Each era brought its own innovations and challenges. Each light is part of a vast, interconnected network, one of the marvels of modern city life. It's a network that's constantly evolving and improving. Let's pull back the curtain on the secret world of streetlights. A world where technology and human effort come together to create something truly remarkable. The moment a streetlight turns on is the final step in a long journey involving immense power, hidden cables, and smart controls. It's a journey that's both complex and fascinating. We take these lights for granted, but they're a testament to our ability to shape our environment. They're a symbol of our progress and ingenuity. They give our cities a second life after dark, a life that's vibrant, dynamic, and full of possibilities. So next time you see those lights blink on, remember, there's a remarkable story behind that simple glow. A story of innovation, dedication, and human achievement. From deep underground to high above, it's a story of ingenuity and problem-solving. A story that's as old as civilization itself. Streetlights are more than just bulbs. They're beacons that keep our cities alive at night. They're the guardians of our nocturnal world. Let's dive in and see how it all works. The journey starts now. Prepare to be amazed by the world of streetlights. Welcome to the world of streetlights. A world where light conquers darkness every single night. Where does the power for all these lights come from? When you walk down a city street at night, surrounded by glowing lamps and bustling energy, it's easy to take the light for granted. But behind every illuminated street is a complex journey that electricity takes. Starting far from the city itself, it all begins at a power plant, massive facilities that generate electricity using sources like coal, natural gas, flowing water, or even nuclear reactions. These plants are the starting point for the energy that eventually lights up our streets. From there, electricity travels through giant transmission lines, those tall metal towers you see stretching across the countryside, carrying power over vast distances. High voltage is key here. It allows electricity to move efficiently across hundreds of miles, minimizing energy loss along the way. As electricity approaches the city, it reaches substations. These are special facilities that step down the voltage to safer, more manageable levels for urban use. Transformers inside these substations lower the voltage even further, sending the electricity into smaller distribution lines that weave through the city. These lines, whether strung along poles or buried underground, bring electricity closer to where it's needed: homes, businesses, and of course, streetlights. Before reaching the streetlights themselves, smaller transformers reduce the voltage one final time, making it safe for everyday use. This final, carefully controlled voltage powers not just our homes and businesses, but also the streetlights that keep our neighborhoods bright and safe after dark. The entire journey from the distant power plant to the pole outside your window is part of what's known as the electrical grid. It's a vast, interconnected network, working around the clock to deliver power safely and reliably to millions of people. Every night this system stands ready, at a moment's notice, to light up the city, ensuring that darkness never slows us down. It's the backbone of our illuminated streets, supporting everything from late-night walks to bustling nightlife. And it all happens seamlessly, every single day, an invisible system working tirelessly to keep our cities shining bright. Once electricity reaches your neighborhood, how does it get to the streetlight pole? It's a question most of us never think about, but the answer is a fascinating journey that happens right beneath our feet. In many cities, the answer is hidden underground. Instead of a tangle of wires overhead, the power quietly travels below the surface, out of sight and out of mind. Before roads are paved, crews dig trenches and lay down protective conduits, essentially tunnels for electrical wires. These conduits shield the cables from damage and keep them organized beneath the busy streets. Electricians then pull thick, insulated cables through these conduits, carefully connecting one streetlight to the next in a continuous chain. This process requires precision and teamwork. These cables carry power, complete the circuit, and provide grounding for safety. The insulation protects against moisture and accidental contact, ensuring the system is both safe and efficient. At each pole, an access panel connects the underground cables to the wires running up to the light fixture. This is where the hidden network meets the visible world. These connections must be watertight and secure for long-term reliability. Special seals and covers keep out rain, dirt, and pests, protecting the vital links inside. Underground systems look cleaner and are safer, protected from storms, falling branches, and accidents. They're less likely to be damaged by weather or human error. While more expensive to install, they're more reliable and require less maintenance over time. The investment pays off in fewer outages and repairs. No messy overhead wires, just a hidden web of power beneath your feet. The cityscape stays uncluttered, and the technology works silently in the background. This system keeps the city's lights on no matter the weather. Even during storms or heavy snow, the lights continue to shine, guiding you safely home. It's a modern solution for a brighter, safer city. The result is a welcoming environment for everyone, day or night. The next time you walk down a well-lit street, remember the invisible network making it possible. Every step you take is powered by this hidden infrastructure. It's engineering at its best, out of sight, but always working. The city's quiet backbone, supporting life after dark. That's the secret subway system for electricity, silently powering the city's nights and keeping our streets bright. How are streetlights connected? Early systems used a series circuit, like old holiday lights. If one bulb went out, the whole string went dark. Electricity flowed through each lamp in a single loop, making it efficient but fragile. The big flaw: one broken bulb could plunge an entire street into darkness. Maintenance crews had to check every lamp to find the problem, a time-consuming task. Because of this, most cities moved away from series circuits. They needed a more reliable system. Enter the parallel circuit, a smarter way to keep the lights on. Let's see how it works. Modern streetlights use parallel circuits, the same system as your home outlets. Each light connects to the main power line on its own branch. If one bulb burns out, only that light goes dark. The rest stay on. This design makes maintenance easy. Crews can go straight to the problem. No more testing every lamp on the street. Parallel circuits are more complex to wire, but the reliability is worth it. Outages are localized, repairs are faster, and the city stays safer. This simple change revolutionized street lighting. It's now the global standard. Parallel circuits keep our cities shining, one light at a time. With power and wiring in place, how do streetlights know when to turn on and off? Early systems used mechanical timers, like alarm clocks for the lights. Workers set them to match sunset and sunrise, but daylight changes with the seasons. This meant constant manual adjustments. The solution? Astronomical timers programmed with sunrise and sunset times for every day of the year. These timers automatically adjust, keeping lights in sync with the natural rhythm. No more wasted energy or late-night darkness. Astronomical timers made the system smarter and more efficient, but the next breakthrough would make streetlights even more responsive. Enter the photocell. The real game-changer was the photocell, a tiny sensor on top of the streetlight. It acts like an electric eye, sensing ambient light. When it gets dark, the photocell turns the light on. When it's bright, it turns it off. The sensor's resistance changes with light levels, triggering the lamp automatically. No need for clocks or manual adjustments. The photocell responds to real-world conditions. On a stormy afternoon, the lights can come on early for safety. Almost every modern streetlight uses a photocell, either individually or as a master control. It's simple, cheap, and incredibly effective. The photocell ensures lights are on when needed, saving energy and improving safety. It's a perfect example of smart, practical engineering. The city's lights now react instantly to the world around them. That's real-time control, right on your street. And it all happens with a sensor the size of a coin. Today, streetlights are getting even smarter with networked computer-controlled systems. Each light or group has a controller, a tiny computer with wireless communication. From a central command center, operators can monitor every light in the city. If a bulb fails, the system sends an instant alert, speeding up repairs. Operators can dim lights late at night to save energy, or brighten them for emergencies. Some systems even detect cars or pedestrians, adjusting brightness as needed. Paired with efficient LED bulbs, these smart systems save cities millions in energy costs. Cities like Los Angeles and Barcelona have cut energy use by over 60% with smart LEDs. It's a win for budgets and the environment. Smart lighting is transforming city life, making it safer, greener, and more responsive. The future of streetlights is bright and connected. Technology is turning every lamp into a smart guardian. Welcome to the era of intelligent illumination. After all the technology, remember the core reason for streetlights: safety. Well-lit streets reduce accidents and help drivers, cyclists, and pedestrians see hazards. Light provides a sense of security and deters crime. Studies show that brighter areas have lower crime rates and more vibrant community life. Streetlights let people enjoy parks, walk home safely, and support local businesses after dark. Lighting also shapes a city's character. Think of Paris or Tokyo at night. Urban planners use light to highlight landmarks and create inviting spaces. Streetlights transform cities into warm, welcoming places after sunset. They're more than bulbs on poles. They're vital infrastructure. Streetlights help communities thrive and build smarter, safer, more sustainable cities. From the power grid to the photocell, it's a marvel of human ingenuity. The next time you see the lights blink on, remember the story behind the glow. That's the real magic of